How to contact Amazon customer service. Having trouble with an order, a return, or your account? Don't worry. Amazon customer service is here to help, so let's walk you through the easiest way to reach them. Step 1 is to head over into the Amazon help and contact page and then sign into your account and you'll see options for orders, returns, Prime membership, devices, and more. Need to talk to someone? Choose the phone option. Amazon will call you directly so you don't have to wait on hold. Prefer typing? Use live chat. It's quick, easy, and perfect for tracking packages or requesting refunds. On the go, open the Amazon mobile app, tap the menu, and select customer service, and you'll get the same support options right from your phone. And for quick questions, Amazon also responds on Twitter and Facebook Messenger. Just remember, don't share sensitive account details there. So whether it's chat, phone, or the app, Amazon makes it easy to get the support you need. Next time you run into an issue, you'll know exactly where to go.